up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, as I'm recording, today is Tuesday, February 22nd. Tuesday. Today, you guys, is February 22nd, 2022. This is a historic number for today, so I hope you guys are enjoying your Tuesday. I certainly am. I'm actually waiting on Hun. He's in Lowe's, his favorite store. He's actually working on another project. My husband is he's amazing. He's working on he's working on the van this time, making it into like a ice cream truck or a food truck, but he's actually building it to sell. So it's just amazing what he can do. It's amazing what God gave him strength to do, and that's why I love him so much. He's amazing. I can't get enough of him. But yeah, we're out here sitting in the car waiting for him. And I actually wanted to make a video because I wanted to clean my air fryer today, and I wanted to show you guys how I clean it and how easy it is to clean my instant mini air fryer. So after we leave here, we'll probably go by the store or the grocery store, I'm not sure yet. But after that, I'm going to the house and clean my air fryer, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So you guys, I am home. I've been home for a minute now. Just kind of relaxing. But anyway, I am about to clean this air fryer. It is dirty. Y'all can't see it right now. Let me put the light on. See? Filthy. Those are like pieces of French fries. If you see down, see that grease? Filthy. I'd be ashamed. It's so filthy. Not really. Anyway. Okay. So as you guys know or seen from a previous video, that inside of the air fryer comes a it's like a tray. And you guys, this is the bottom. You see that gunk? Pieces of things, but at least I know, like, if I have anything that I air fry, the grease goes down in there and the grease comes off, you know. But I'm about to clean this, so let's get started. baby. Why are you clean washing the dishes? I'm gonna put a clean in this air fryer. But look at the feet. You might put the hard. Yeah, hello, baby. Can't be there. So what Now, as you can see, I scrubbed and cleaned this air fryer really good. Yeah, it was a lot of scum and dirt and everything in there, so I cleaned it really good. And this is the tray that sits in the inside. So as you see, it doesn't take much to clean it. Just you know, some dishwasher liquid, and hey, you're good to go. So what I'm about to do now is just kind of clean up around the air fryer where some of maybe the grease or whatever came out on the side, and that's going to be it. So yeah, let me clean this up and I'll show you guys how it looks when I'm done. So I'm going to use a wipe just to kind of wipe around it. This is not a whole lot. Just kind of clean up around it. Inside, just kind of wipe that some. It's not bad. It just, you know, some of the smoke or the steam or whatever. Let me get another wipe. But all in all, it's not hard to clean this air fryer at all, unless you're like really not cleaning it often. You know, every so often it does need a good cleaning. I'm just wiping the top off or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I'm going to do today. Kind of on the side right there. Make sure I got all of that there. I'm going to put the tray back in. As you see, clean. Pop that back in there. And that's it. Ready for more food. Yep, that's it, you guys. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much how I clean my instant mini air fryer. Like I said, it's not hard to do, especially if you keep it clean throughout and don't leave as much grease and gulp like I did. But yeah, it's really simple to do. Just some dishwasher liquid and water, scrub, and you're good to go. But anyway, you guys, that's going to conclude this video. Hopefully soon I'll be posting recipes using the instant air fryer, because you guys, I love this thing. Like I said, I use it every single day. So I'm going to be showing you guys some recipes. Not nothing major, but just something that I may do or try around the house for me and my husband to eat, or the kids. But yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. If you like this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and comment down below and let me know if you have an air fryer and what kind do you have, or have you been thinking about getting one. Let me know down in the comments. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one.